Crafty people, welcome to a design team project for ASC Supplies on Etsy. And I seriously used the scraps from one of the beautiful Stamperia collections. What is it called? It's like a blue collection. And I still have enough to make a journal. So I altered that mailbox and I made all of those 10 cards, and I have these 3 cards and I'm going to do a journal with it. So here is my first card, and that's that same saturated canary image that I used not too long ago. I really like her holding what clearly looks like a Starbucks coffee of some sort. And I really love making winter cards so much, using my snowflakes, layering my snowflakes. But this is a tag cut from the collection. You can actually barely see the paper from the collection, but it is blue themed. So I added a doily, layered my snowflakes, added a couple of Wild Orchid Craft roses. There's a little bit of lace around the edge, a bow with can you hear it? A jingle bell. And it pops up on that chenille, which to me looks snowy. And you can even see back here, I used some corrugated board, and all I do is I take cardboard and you just peel this layer off. And you get your corrugated board. So down here, these postcards are from the collection, and I just cut it out, and voila, there's your sentiment area. So that's card number 1. Card number 2, I used corrugated board again, and I just used some spackling paste and some diamond dust to make it look frosty and snowy. And I added my icicles, layers of icicles, and you could just buy these at Hobby Lobby. They come on a string and you put them around your tree. So that's the area where you get it. A little bit of postcard sticking out here, a little bit of lace, snowflake. This is from the collection. Another snowflake and a snowflake. Another jingle bell. I added a beautiful cupcake wrapper to the top. More chenille and a sentiment area. And that's card number 2. Card number 3, I used the same image as this one. Only in this one, obviously, I fussy cut around her. Oh, I forgot I used a little pom-pom for on top of her hat. I did the same thing on this one. And this is another tag from the collection. You can kind of see the blue in the background. I layered the snowflakes and the flowers. This is just a stamp I had in my stash. Made it look wintry. I added Merry Christmas and a little silver reindeer. Another cupcake wrapper at the top. Pops up like that, and we've got another postcard to write the message. So that's card number 3. So like I said, these cards were made with scraps. Literally, I think there's only like 1 or 2 sheets left of this collection, but there's so much ephemera from it that, like I said, I will be making a journal with it. So I hope you enjoyed these, and I hope you will head over to ASC Supplies. I will link everything in the description box down below. These cards are currently for sale on eBay. Hopefully, if you're interested, you can head over there. Links in the description box for that, as well as all the links to ASC Supplies. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Have a happy, scrappy day. Bye.